guys, today, first off, you see the hack? See what it says? Hack? See that? You guys see that? Hack? You see that? Today I'm about to give you guys a hack of credit sweeps. Hope you guys like one of the artwork. It's a broom, and it's supposed to be sweeping the negatives off your credit report. I got news for you. The next time someone tells you to have a hack or a play, run the other way for the rest of your life. Run fast as you can. Fast, just run, all right? Because the truth of the matter is, there is no damn hack to credit sweep. It's all fraud, it's all scam. It's all terminologies created by the FCRA, credit repair organization, or credit repair companies, mama pops. That's what it is. There is nowhere in the federal or state statute, FCRA, CROA, nowhere you will ever find the word credit sweep as a legal tactic to fix your credit. Nowhere. So let me tell you why I'm doing this video. By the way, I'm Andy Sukhu, founder and CEO of Y2K Credit Solutions, consumer credit specialist. Been in the industry for over 18, 19 years now. Why am I doing this topic about credit sweeps? Because recently we've been getting a good amount of calls from a lot of people asking us, hey, do you guys do credit sweeps? I'm like, no, we don't do credit sweeps. It doesn't exist. It's not legal. Well, this company told me they do it. This other company told me to do it. So my question then to the client is, did you try? Why don't you call them and try it? If someone is telling you to do credit sweeps and you're looking for credit sweeps because you want to run from your obligation, you don't want to fix your credit the right way, so you're trying to find all this baloney shortcuts to fix your credit, and someone is offering it to you, why are you calling us, asking us if we do it if you have a solution to it already? Because you know to yourself it doesn't even exist. You know to yourself it doesn't exist. So let's talk about what is a credit sweep, okay? By the way, the broom is not sweeping crap because it doesn't work. That's why you see the broom and you see collection charge up, you see the words are still there. That's my broom, by the way. Credit sweep. It's fraud exposed. Credits. The title of this video is going to be Credit Sweep Fraud Exposed. Let me explain to you what a credit sweep is. You have all of these non-legitimate credit repair companies that started up in COVID. And I can actually tell you where the terminology started from, what state and who've been saying it. And this is where it came from. And they were selling it in their course. So what people did is people took their courses and then they repackaged it, and now they're trying to sell it to everybody on social media. I really want to say it, but I don't want to get involved and mention people's name and give them a little bit of light, because what you're doing is unethical and illegal, okay? So this is what a credit sweep is. Credit sweep. First off, again, the terminology does not exist. Nowhere in the bylaws, statute laws, the federal laws does credit sweep ever exist. Okay? Let's get that straight. You can Google it. And I really wish you guys do Google the things I'm talking about, just so I can validate my point. Or you can see we know what we're talking about. So the terminology came from CRO, credit repair organizations. In the bylaws, federal and state statute, it's called credit repair organization, CRO. In the streets, in the scamming world, it's called credit repair companies. And now, everyone is a credit repair specialist, but probably can't even spell the word credit repair specialist. You really need to question these people, because all they're doing is scamming you and taking your money and ending you up in a boatload of legal problems, because you're on the hook once you get involved in this, not that person. So, let's get back to it. Credit sweep is where you call a company and they're promising you, we're going to sweep everything off your credit report. You don't have to pay nothing. We're going to sweep it off your credit report, and what they're going to do is they're going to file a false police report, or make you, in fact, actually they make you go down to the precinct, you file a false police report, or they file a false fraud affidavit in your name on your behalf. Now, once that document gets filed and it gets stored in the CFPB website, it gets sent to the credit bureaus. Now, they'll either tell you to create a login for each bureau to upload it. Experience uploaded, Equifax and TransUnion, you can either upload it or you can mail it. Right? When they put these documents in the mail, that's mail fraud. All right? So it gets to the mail system, it's mail fraud. If it uploaded, when it gets to the credit bureaus, it's going to be sent to the creditors. So, and I say this all the time, guys. The credit bureaus do not own the data on the credit report. They're not the one that put it there. It's the creditors that put the data there. So ultimately, whatever you dispute on your behalf to the credit bureaus is going to go back to the original creditor for validation. This is why when you get the report, it says this account has been verified, validated, and you still owe the debt. Okay? So these companies are telling you that they're going to fix your credit. They're going to sweep everything off your credit report. You don't have to pay nothing. You have no obligations. Nothing. Then, after they file these affidavits, and then they send it to the credit bureaus, and then it goes to the credit bureaus. No, sorry, they send it to the credit bureaus, then it goes to the creditor. It gets validated, and it comes back to the credit bureaus. Then the credit bureau sends you a report. Now, if you've noticed, if you have an Experian account, Experian has been validating things and rectifying things within 5 to 7 days now. That's how fast the Metro 2 system is working. That's how fast it is. So now you get this report, nothing has been removed, or it's been removed temporarily, then it comes back on your credit in 3 months. Because the creditor had the time to investigate and say, no, this is legitimate debt. Now you're on the hook for that because you filed a fake police report, you filed a fake fraud affidavit, you sent it in, you claimed the things was fraud because you told the company, you allowed the company to file that document on your behalf. Now you know that they filed it on your behalf because they told you, we're going to do a credit sweep. And 9 out of 10 of you guys have researched what a credit sweep is, so you know exactly what it is. Because it's all over the net. You can Google it, they'll tell you. All of you guys are watching YouTubes and TikToks, Instagram. People are talking about it. But somehow you think you're the special one that's going to try it and it's going to work, and you don't have to pay your debt. Well, again, I got news for you. It's fraud and it doesn't work. All right? It's illegal, 100% illegal. So the next time someone tells you they're going to do a credit sweep for you, or they can do credit sweeps for $1,500, do me a favor, run fast as you can. Because you're just going to land yourself up in a shitload of problems. And 2, let me tell you what the worst part about this is that when you try to fix it the right way, the creditors and the creditors push back and denies it. Because you already claim this thing was fraud, then all of a sudden you're fixing it the right way, and now you want to know off your credit report. So, again, next time someone tells you they can do a credit sweep for you, run fast. It's not going to work and it's not true. And, we did some posts about it, telling you guys, things about credit sweep, don't do it and you're on the hook for it. And we asked some people to respond. So I said, or we asked some people to comment below if you've been in this situation. You'll be surprised the number of people that responded and said, it's a scam, I tried it, it didn't work. And now they're on our office fixing the credit the right way. Guys, listen, every single debt has a paper trail, especially now in 2024. Don't think that you're smarter than the creditors and the credit bureaus and you're going to get out of your debt by running the play or the sweep. Trust me, you're not. It's not going to work. And if it does work, it's only a temporary fix, band-aid fix. All right? If you have any questions, comment about this video, drop it below, and I'll get back to you guys. Talk to you soon.